Bonjour les amis! Today's book is about forest animals, and the title, le titre, est Les animaux de la forêt. Animaux means animals, and forêt means forest. I love to crack into a nice nut, says the squirrel. J'adore craquer une belle noisette, dit l'écureuil. You could repeat after me. I'm going to show you some of the images on the pages and what they are in French. Un écureuil. Un écureuil. Une noisette. Une noisette. Un arbre. That's a tree. Un arbre. This squirrel is sitting on a branch. A branch is une branche. Une branche. This is a leaf. Une feuille. Une feuille. Would you like to hear what a squirrel sounds like? Une autre fois, Carly. One more time. Merci. Tourne la page, Carly. Aïe, ouïe! Stop or I will tickle you, says the wolf pup. Aïe, ouïe! Arrête ou je te chatouille, dit le louveteau. Chatouille means to tickle. Chatouille. A wolf pup, in French, you can call it un bébé loup, or the proper term for it is un louveteau. Un louveteau. Un loup is a wolf. Un loup. A baby wolf or a wolf pup is un bébé loup, or we can call it un louveteau. Un louveteau. This kind of tree is called un sapin. Un sapin. And these flowers, we would call them des fleurs. Des fleurs. Grass is de l'herbe. De l'herbe. Let's hear what a baby wolf sounds like. Un louveteau. Une autre fois. One more time. Who is bothering me during my nap? Says the owl. Qui me dérange pendant ma sieste? Dit le hibou. A nap is called une sieste. Une sieste. Un hibou. Un hibou. Birds have feathers. Feathers in French is des plumes. Des plumes. They also have wings. Des ailes. Des ailes. And their mouth is called a beak. En français, we say un bec. Un bec. What color are the eyes of this owl? Quelle couleur sont les yeux de cet hibou? Orange. Les yeux sont orange. Owls are nocturnal. In French we say nocturne. Nocturne. This means that they are nighttime animals. While we are sleeping, they are awake. They go hunting at night, pendant la nuit. And during the day, pendant le jour, they sleep. Les hiboux dorment pendant le jour. Let's hear what an owl sounds like. You're going to come play with me, little bird, says the baby fox, or the fox pup. Tu viens jouer avec moi, petit oiseau, dit le renardeau. The fox pup is called un bébé renard or un renardeau. And this is un oiseau, une fleur, de l'herbe, some grass, de l'herbe. And here we have a mushroom, un champignon. You are still hungry, my little ones, says the bird. Vous avez encore faim, mes petits, dit l'oiseau. Un oiseau, des oisillons, des oisillons. That's a baby bird, or bébé oiseau. Un oisillon. And the bird's house is called a nest, un nid, un nid. And some birds are born in a nest like this in a tree, and the mummy and daddy birds have to go hunting for them and feed them in the nest until they're old enough to feed themselves and to fly all by themselves. And other birds, like partridge and chickens, when they have their babies, they're ready to run around and feed themselves within hours of being out of their shells, out of the egg. Birds like robins and swallows keep their babies in a nest for a couple weeks before they're ready to fly away and to eat by themselves. You may have noticed lately that you can hear the birds tweeting and singing in the morning. During the winter, pendant l'hiver, a lot of birds fly away to some places that are much warmer than here. So when springtime arrives, you can hear the birds coming back because they sing in the morning. And you can, if you're up early enough, you can hear them tweeting and singing in the trees in the morning. Et qui, mon histoire est finie.